In this short video presentation, I just want to talk to you about resetting the charts to the default settings. And in order to do that, you come up to Options, and then you can see here it says Reset to Default Settings. Left click on this. This brings up the warning window for you and informs you that if you reset all of your settings back to their default values as though the software has just been installed, if you click yes, you will be unable to revert back to the current default settings. And what this means is basically the default settings are here shown on the left hand side. You've got settings for things like the alerts, chart type, and a whole list of other options. So whatever the settings you place in here will be known as the default settings and will appear on a newly created chart. And the same goes for the TUFXP indicators as well. So just going back to Options, Reset to Defaults. As soon as you click yes, the default settings will take effect. So now whatever the settings are in the default tab, whether they are the TUFXP indicators or settings, when you create a new chart, that chart will take on those settings. So I'm just creating a GBP 30-minute chart, left clicking on Create, and what you see on the chart now are the default settings that were created here. If you wanted to change any of the settings in the current chart, for example, you may want to add the volume and also, let's say, show the stochastics. You can add those to this chart locally and it won't affect the default settings. And then if you wanted to, you could actually save this chart as well with those additional features or indicators that are added into the price chart. So just to recap, if you want to revert all of the default settings back to the original settings that are in the book, then just come to Options and then to Reset Default Settings. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next. As ever, thank you for watching.